Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear car drivers who want to drive more safely and confidently, tuning in. Understanding safe following distance helps you make better driving decisions and stay prepared for unexpected road situations. Here's something helpful for you: Safe Following Distance Guide for Car Drivers from Youthbuddy. Safe following distance means keeping enough space between your car and the vehicle ahead, giving you time to observe hazards, react calmly, brake safely, and stop without panic. Many accidents happen because drivers follow closely. Sudden braking, pedestrians, animals, potholes, changing signals, or vehicle breakdowns can create danger within seconds. Keeping a safe following distance also improves your view of the road ahead, helping you notice traffic changes, road hazards, and warning signs much earlier. Following distance is measured in seconds rather than meters because your stopping distance changes as vehicle speed increases. Your total stopping distance combines reaction distance and braking distance, showing why every driver needs enough space to stop safely. As your speed increases, your vehicle travels much farther before stopping, so higher speeds always require a larger following distance. In normal driving conditions, apply the 3-second rule by selecting a fixed roadside object and counting until your vehicle reaches the same point. If your vehicle reaches the reference point before completing the count, increase the gap immediately until you maintain at least 3 seconds of following distance. Whenever road conditions reduce your ability to see, react, or stop safely, leave extra space between your vehicle and the one ahead. In city traffic, leave enough space for smooth braking, avoid bumper-to-bumper driving, and stay especially alert near signals, schools, markets, and pedestrian crossings. On highways, maintain at least a 4-second gap, avoid following trucks or buses closely, and observe traffic well ahead instead of relying only on brake lights. During rain, slow down because wet roads reduce tire grip, increase braking distance, and make larger following gaps even more important. In fog or at night, visibility becomes limited, so drive more cautiously, use appropriate lights, and maintain extra space between your vehicle and others. Maintain additional distance behind trucks, buses, and tankers because they block your view ahead and may brake differently from smaller vehicles. Give extra space to two-wheelers, auto rickshaws, and small commercial vehicles because they may stop suddenly, avoid obstacles, or change direction unexpectedly. Never use your horn or follow closely to pressure slower vehicles. Wait patiently until a safe overtaking opportunity becomes available. Avoid common mistakes such as tailgating, phone distractions, late braking, overconfidence, or assuming good tires alone can prevent collisions. Keep looking well ahead, check your mirrors regularly, maintain escape space around your vehicle, and brake early to give everyone more time to react. Remember, patience, awareness, and proper following distance work together to keep you, your passengers, and other road users safe. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the general section on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.